Hello, today we will show you how to integrate Salesforce and Trumpia using Zapier. Zapier is a tool that helps integrate web applications that don't already have built-in integration options. In this example, we'll be going over how you can add a new Salesforce contact when a contact signs up by texting a mobile keyword. In the trigger section, we are asked what our app event will be. Since we want this Zap to trigger whenever there's a new keyword signup, we will go select Trumpia as our app event. We are then asked for a triggering event, and we will select a new contact, keyword signup, and select Continue. In the next step, we need to select the Trumpia account that we'll be using for this Zap. Some additional steps to link your account may be needed if you haven't done so already. We now need to set up our trigger. The only step that we need to do is select the distribution list. We are doing this because our keyword signup trigger works whenever a new contact is added to a distribution list by keyword. In this example, we will go ahead and select Zap to List as our distribution list. Now we are ready to move on to the action step of this Zap. In the action step, we will want to select Salesforce as our app event. As our action step for Salesforce, we want to select Create Record. Now we need to choose the Salesforce account that we want to add these new records to. In the next step, we need to specify the record type we want to be adding to Salesforce from Trumpia, which will be a contact. We will select a specific account in Salesforce that we want to add these contacts to. In this case, I went ahead and selected Backcountry Outpost Sample as my account. Now we can go ahead and match up data that we captured from our keyword signup from Trumpia to Salesforce. We can simply match up the last name from Trumpia to the last name on Salesforce, mobile phone to mobile phone, and email to email. For our contact description on Salesforce, we have more flexibility in the data we choose to add and how we want to format it. I went ahead and decided to add their subscription ID, distribution list the contact is in, sign up date, and which keyword they signed up with. As the final step, all that is left is testing the Zap that we just created. If anything went wrong or if any data was mismatched with our Zap, this is where we would find out. But it appears that everything is successful. Some things to note before we end this tutorial. Normally, data such as first and last name or email are not normally known after keyword signup. To capture this data, we need to use the data capture feature for keywords during setup. If you are unsure on how to set up a keyword and use the data capture feature, please take a look at the videos linked in the description. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you and have a great day.